Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Boombox 2 with your Android phone. So to do this, first of all we have to move to our speaker. So we have to basically power on our speaker by tapping on this power button. It will light up just like that, and then click and hold the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. As you can see, it will start blinking like that. And next we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our device. So we can do this by going to this quick Bluetooth panel, and from this list you just have to select the JBL Boombox 2. It appears right here. Accept the pairing. And next, I can also recommend you to go into the Play Store and get the JBL portable application. We have to get this one. And then click open. Now click to get started, accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. Right now it is looking for our speaker, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected just like that. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.